Well, I'd come in here for a consultation. Friends recommended the doctor's office itself. And then I came in and met him, and we talked about what I wanted to have done. And then when I found out he actually took insurance for the things that I needed to have done, that gave me the green light to come in and have my procedure done. So I was very thankful that I was recommended to him by friends, and finding out he took insurance for my procedure was icing on the cake. That's what made me come here. And when I found out how wonderful he is the first time I came here, I knew that I'd have it done eventually, whether my insurance or whether he took insurance or not. But then again, he took insurance, so it was wonderful. Do I feel comfortable? I do feel comfortable. The girls here are all so friendly. Everybody here is really, really nice. They all have great smiles on their faces. They're all friendly when you walk in. You feel like family here. You don't ever feel uncomfortable. Everyone just is very friendly. He was truly one of the, I've never met a nicer doctor, and that's the truth. I mean, he's just really awesome. I didn't feel uncomfortable. I was doing surgery that I had to be undressed for, and that was really hard for me, but undressing in front of him was like, I didn't feel uncomfortable. He just made me feel like I was just me. Dr. Schooler's bedside manner is fabulous. He is probably the nicest doctor I've ever come to know. I've had several surgeries in the past for little things, and Dr. Schooler makes you feel like family. I came into his office very, very nervous, having the procedure that I was going to have done, and having to undress in front of a doctor is always intimidating, but Dr. Schooler made me feel like a friend, not a big deal. I came in and he talked about his family, he asked about my family. He told me his plans for his practice, to move to Santa Barbara, and I really, really felt comfortable coming in here. I was not even nervous once I met him and talked to him, and I saw how friendly he was, and that he just sat there and talked to me like I was just a friend of his. All the nerves were gone. I never felt uncomfortable ever. Every time I came back after my procedure and everything, all my surgery and him coming to the hospital, he was so friendly and came right up beside you and made you feel really, really comfortable. Having the procedure that I had done really takes a lot off your whole physique. Like you feel so much lighter and smaller, and everyone thought I lost weight, but really I didn't. It's just what he did made me look so much better and feel so much better. I think my presence was just, I guess it might be my presence too that made me feel so good, and everybody noticed. It's like, but they didn't know what it was. They just thought I lost weight. So it's been pretty awesome. I love it. My friends and family feel my results were remarkable. I think I had my surgery sometime in October, and I went to my brother's birthday party 3 days later, and everybody thought I lost 10 pounds, and so they all were so shocked to see how wonderful I looked, and that was like huge for me because I've been waiting for this surgery for so many years, and everybody at the party noticed something, but they just didn't notice what, and they were all surprised about how good I looked. So I knew that what I had done was pretty awesome. Yeah, the family members, everybody, friends, I think they're all a little jealous. I would recommend Dr. Schooler to everybody I know. Yes, absolutely. To a friend, to anybody. As a matter of fact, I have already, so hopefully they will feel just as comfortable as I did and come in and see him. Yeah, absolutely.